Step 1. Go to school. Step 2. Listen to your teacher. Step 3. Ask to go on a social studies field trip. Step 4. Realize that that's all you're looking forward to today and wait with excitement. Step 5. Talk to your friends while riding the bus.
Hey, do you know this story?
What's the story?
It's about the factory I'm going to from now on. A long time ago, there was a house there before the factory was built. There's a strong-willed boy in that house. It was decided that a factory would be built at the child's house.
To say.
Oh, the house is going to be destroyed. I tried desperately to resist. It's a futile resistance. And the boy committed suicide. After that, more and more factory workers died of unexplained illnesses, and he saw.
Wow, what a scary story. Maybe we'll go inside the factory and die after a while.
But I don't believe.
That's right.
Step 6. Get off the bus and see the factory you visit. Step 7. Go inside the factory.
Let's all come back at 3 p.m. Okay.
Step 8. Free time to explore.
What is this?
Step 10. There's a button that says never press it. But it's human psychology to want to push. Step 11. Press. Step 12. Nothing happens. Step 13. Look at your watch. Step 14. Realize it's 2:59 p.m. Step 15. Rush back to meeting point. Step 16. Just in time. Step 17. Take the bus home.
What was that button? But let's just say it didn't hurt anything. Anxiety still won't go away.
Step 18. You slowly fell asleep while thinking about such things.
Let's go home.
It seems that today is the last day of the second semester and we are going on a social studies field trip. Hop on, off, and tour the factory. Step 20. Get on the bus and ride next to your friend.
Hey, that factory we went to is going out of business next week. It was just fine because it was creepy. Do you think so too?
That's right.
Step 21. You've graduated from college, your job search is over, and you're about to start work. Step 22. Go to work.
Is this the place of work?
Step 23. Enter the workplace and ask your boss how it works.
Your job is to put the garbage in the incinerator.
Alright, boss. Start working right away. Garbage disposal is quite difficult. I think I'll go somewhere to refresh. You can relax by pressing this button. Well, I've never been to a place like this before.
Step 2. Hear a mysterious noise.
Hurry up and get out of here.
Damn.